अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी आप लोगों को जो सम हम किए थे डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस पे, वही सम मैं आपको वीडियो के तौर पे भेजा रहा हूँ सो दैट ऑल ऑफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड गो थ्रू इट। अगर आप क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन क्या था? यूजिंग द डायमेंशन एनालिसिस ऑब्टेन द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन अ मीडियम एंड इन द फॉलोइंग आंसर वी हैड स्पीड ऑफ साउंड टू बी v is proportional to bulk modulus into rho. Since we are having both these variables, it is related with the sound here for the sound waves, where b is nothing but bulk modulus and rho is the density part here. We had the expression v is proportional to capital B into rho, which becomes into an equation v is equal to k into b rho. Since the expression is getting converted from the expression into the equation, and then when we write it down v is equal to k into b into rho, we just take the dimensional analysis on this particular point here and we break it down. It becomes v is equal to k into b to the power of a into rho to the power of b. ये आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है. You need to write both of these two powers here since you're going for the dimensional analysis. V, as everyone knows, is velocity. So velocity is lt minus 1. M to the power of 0, L1 to the power of t minus 1. Because why do you write m here? Even though it is not having any particular value, but you are writing in the main structure form, dimension analysis का. So v velocity here, then related with k is nothing but everything is to the power 0 because it being a constant. तो यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे आप? m to the power 0, l power 0, t power 0. b, that is l minus 1 t to the power minus 2, which is your bulk modulus. And rho, as everyone knows, it is ml minus 3. ml minus 3 है इसका डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला, इसीलिए आपका t पावर 0 आ रहा है. अब ये लिखने के बाद what do you do is we compare both the equations from LHS and RHS. So I have written down here comparing the variables from both the sides and comparing m first. What do? We compare only one of the letters, one of the variables. So as soon as we compare, we take 0 is equal to a plus b. 0 is equal to a plus b, or that becomes a is equal to minus b. I just take b to the other side. So this becomes my equation number 1. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम? Comparing the L value. We compared the first M value, now comparing the L value. For comparing L value, it is nothing but 1 is equal to minus A minus 3B. ये कैसा आता है? Minus A is on this side, if you see here, 1 is equal to L compare करना ना, तो L में 1 is equal to minus A. Minus A ये तो नहीं आता है, ये cancel out हो गया, constant है. तो यहाँ minus A कैसा रहा है? Power A जो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, it is being multiplied with minus 1, minus A, L to the power of minus A into this B. अब यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ क्या है आपके पास? L के पावर में minus 3 into B है, इसीलिए आपको क्या आएगा? 1 is equal to minus A minus 3B, which will become your equation number 2. तो इस तरह से आपके पास ये दो equations आ जाते हैं. When you get this, then you need to substitute the first equation into the second. First equation, which is this particular value, into the second part, which is this particular equation part. So that again I have written down here. Therefore 1 is equal to minus a minus 3b and 1 is equal to minus a plus 3a हो गया. अब ये कैसा है, ये आप लोगों को ख्याल रखना है. ये जो माइनस फंक्शन साइन है, what did I do? I have written down 3 as it is, but minus b के जगह पे हम a लिख रहे हैं. How are we able to do that? Because we had seen here down below that here in this particular point here, a is nothing but it is equal to minus b. तो जहाँ भी minus b आ रहा है, we just replace the letter minus b with a minus, of course, with a, positive value of a. So I have done the same thing here. आप यहाँ देखिए, minus b के जगह पे I have put down a. So as soon as you put down a, naturally this becomes also positive. It becomes minus a plus 3a. 3 minus 1, 2. a is as it is common. So 1 is equal to 2a or a is equal to half. अब आपको a की वैल्यू आ गई. Thus now we get the value of b by substituting the value of a in equation 1. Equation 1, again it will be the same equation. A is equal 0 is equal to a plus b, or 0 is equal to half plus b after substitution. Therefore b is equal to half will go to the second side, next side, which is from right to left. So it becomes minus half. तो as it is आपके पास लास्ट में पॉइंट्स दो आते हैं, 2 values और 2 variables. a की वैल्यू आ गई हाफ, b की वैल्यू आ गई माइनस हाफ. दिस इज व्हाट यू नीडेड फॉर द डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. आफ्टर यू गेट दिस, then please frame it into the main equation. That is, take the calculated values of a and b and substitute into the main equation. Therefore v is equal to b to the power of a and rho to the power of b, and we have b to the power of half हो जाएगा. रो टू द पावर ऑफ क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हाफ हो गया. अब यहाँ देखिए दोनों हाफ है तो रूट तो आना ही चाहिए, लेकिन दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव, दिस इज नेगेटिव. सो नेगेटिव इट बेसिकली मीन्स इट इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर साइड. Therefore you get the main equation as v is equal to under root of b by rho. So this is actually one of the methods to get a particular formula for a particular physical quantity. The physical quantity being velocity, it is equal to under root of b by rho, wherein we calculated the value of the dimensional analysis. Using the dimensional analysis we calculated the value of velocity for the speed of sound. I hope this is clear. I'll be sending you one image of this particular board also. Thank you.